Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this position and black's pawns are going downward in this direction. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here I need to mention one thing. So if it wasn't black's position, this would be just a draw, because a rook, even if black hasn't a pawn, it's just a draw, because we can't make any progress with a bishop, and the material is not sufficient enough to force black into winning position. So that is the idea you need to notice, and we have to exploit black's position. So the first move you may probably think is capturing the a pawn, the a5 pawn, like so, and just hoping some kinds of attack. But this doesn't work, because now black would play king to c7, and black is just out of the jail, right? So now black position significantly improved, and black would just push the pawn on b6 on the next move, would give us check, and black rook as well would get a breezing rook. So this leads to a draw for that reason, and taking is not the first move. The other move you may probably play is bishop to e3, attacking the rook. So this move doesn't work as well, because black would push the b pawn, right? b6 would push b6, blocking the attack, and now black's position once again significantly improved, and we cannot win this, because even if black hasn't these pawns, it's just a draw, right? The material is not sufficient enough to win, and we don't have any pawn to convert into a queen. So that is the big problem of this position. So all of these moves are not the correct move. The first correct move is to play rook to h8 check. So this makes black to move to c7, king to c7. In fact, that is the only legal move for black. So again, in this position, there is only a single way to win this. So again, if you'd like to pause and guess the next move, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Okay, the move is bishop to d8 check. So the idea would be clear after the next move, and it's a check, so the king must move, right? So here the king can move to the 8th rank, but if the king moves to the 8th rank, we are going to play bishop to b6. That puts black in a discover check. So the black king, unfortunately the black king has no moves, and this is just checkmate. And if black decided to move down, we are going to play the same move. Now this time the black king can play to d7, but we are going to capture the rook, and this is absolutely easy winning, right? We can win this easily. So that is the idea. So that is what we are going to do if black decided to move to the 8th rank. So the other move is to play to the d file, like d6 and d7. So if black plays to d7, king to d7, or king to d6, it doesn't really matter. We are going to play bishop to b6, and again black can't save the rook now in this position, right? So the best move in this position after the check on d8 is to move the king to c6. At least that defend the square b6, which the bishop now cannot go there, because the king is directly defending that, and the king would capture the bishop if the bishop land on that square. So that is the idea by black, but we are going to play bishop to b6 anyway. Now in this position, black has to capture the bishop, right? So that is obvious. So here comes the trickiest position, right? You have to think outside the box to find this move. You can pause the video and just think a little bit more. Okay, so if you found rook to c8, congratulations, that is the correct move. And now see, all of black's pawns are stuck. The rook has only one legal move, which is a8, and black king can't move, right? The black king can't move, all of these three pawns can't move, meaning the only legal move for black in this position is to play rook to a8, and that's exactly what we want. We are going to just capture the rook, and when black moves on the next move, it doesn't really matter to the c file. We are going to just capture this pawn, and the king is in front of this pawn, right? So black can actually win this by capturing the pawn. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Guys, for a recap purpose, first we are going to play rook to h8 check, and the king has only one move, c7, and we are going to play bishop to d8 check. So the king has all of these squares, but so far king to c6 is the best move, and we are going to play bishop to b6, attacking the rook. So now black cannot ignore the bishop, otherwise we just capture the rook, and if after black captures the bishop, we play rook to c8, and this puts black in zugzwang, where black has to move, and black has only one legal move, which that legal move makes to lose the rook. So that is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point, guys. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you next video. Bye.